Hi, I'm Aaron Dowd with Archer Services, and I'm here to talk to you today about a lemon drop or orange drop iris. This guy is one of my favorites as far as adding a lot of really neat texture and to a landscape. It has such a lot of versatility. This can be done in full sun or shade. My backyard stays pretty shady, and it does really well. It doesn't bloom as much, but honestly, these guys don't tend to bloom a lot anyway. They only have a bloom, it's a couple inches across, and it's white on the outside, and it has some different colors in there. So it's really neat when it does bloom. But it's just a few sporadic flowers. You won't notice it from across the yard. You have to be up close to see those when it is blooming. But the texture, we love the stiff, dark green leaves. That's what adds, it's like when you're doing a floral arrangement, you really want a lot of different textures in your landscape. And that's what this one is for. It will possibly freeze back in a really hard winter, but we just recommend you just cut this one back all the way to the ground and it just blooms right back up. It went through the hard freezes last year and it's all the way back up and doing really well. It needs well-drained, consistently moist soils. Don't overwater, you will rot this one out. So just, it's really hard to underwater this one. It just needs consistent moisture. So we can help you with that as well too, to help control your moisture. Just let us know if you have any questions. But like I said, this one is just an exciting element to add some nice stiff green texture foliage to your landscape. So enjoy and do something fun in your landscape today. Thank you.